Hi Bestie, I have some happy mail from Sessavee and Cloth Paper. If you're a planner girl, this video is for you. So let's go ahead and get into the things. Let me know how you're doing. Hopefully all is well with you and yours. If you're new here, welcome. So glad that you're here. Hopefully you decide to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn your notifications to all and feel free to engage with me in the comments. And if you've been here before, Bestie, welcome back. So I'm going to go ahead and open and take all of the items that I ordered out the box so I can get the box out of the way. This is the order that I got a few weeks ago. I didn't order anything from the recent Happy Hour Live. I thought they would have had the sticker albums available this past Thursday, but they didn't. And I think that's one of the top things. And now that I'm thinking about it, I'm thinking that I might should have got some of those adhesive tags, the ones that you can add things to your spiral, your discount planners. Cause I've been using a lot of them this week. So I might have to get me some more of those. Alright, so let me get into Sessavee first. I love Sessavee. They have been around for a long time too. Alright, so I have a lot of freebies. Oh wow, so they gave me some sticky notes. Definitely could use those. Put them in my drawer. And so this is one of the items that I purchased. I purchased 2 round magnetic pens. I already have the black and white one. And I wanted these 2. I wanted these 2 for a while. But then I was on Instagram and I saw another shop come out with similar magnets. And then that was my reminder that I needed to get these from Sessavee. I have been a customer for Sessavee probably for a few years now. Let me know, have you got anything from Sessavee before? I can't remember when I placed my first order, but I do believe one of the first items that I did, okay, I like this vellum. This is nice. Dare to do it. I cannot wait to add that. And so here is the other magnetic clip that I got. But yeah, I think my first order was Sessavee years ago. It was because I saw the velvet folders they have. Okay, this is nice. So now I have 3 colors. And I don't have the white black one ready with me. If I had it right here now, I would show it, but I might end up adding the picture so you can see it. But yeah, one of my first orders was the brown velvet, the black velvet, and then a few years later, Sessavee came out with the burgundy velvet. And so typically with this is a thank you card from them. Typically I keep their cards because they are 4x6. And I typically make Sessavee postcards as a dashboard for my CP Petite. So I guess I could do that now. Let me get my hole puncher. And I guess I could go ahead and hole punch it now to add it to one of my CP Petite planners. So I'll be right back. And that's one thing I love about her postcards. And then there's other shop owners too that have their postcards that I have just hole punched to make them to dashboards. Like let me see. I know I've done it with Villa Beautiful before. And I see the shop items that I'm thinking about. I can't think of the name right now, but her postcards have a smooth velvet touch to them, and I can't think of that shop, but I actually see her sticker book that I got from her a few years ago. But yeah, so that's one thing. If you have a CP Petite planner, you get these type of postcards from companies with your orders. Definitely you can make them into a dashboard. Cause I know like the end of last year when I had placed the order, when she sent the 2026, I like that. I like that with the studded dashboard. With the 2026 postcard that she made, and I have that in my other CP Petite, but I love this vellum planner card. I cannot figure out where I'm gonna place that in one of my planners. I have to just decide on which one. And so I've been thinking about making some dashboards for my A5 spiral, but I need to get a hole puncher for the spiral. Alright, so now let's get into the cloth and paper goodies. Okay, so I have a card here, the attention box. Oh wow, I got two this time. So it says what's unfold and the number 4 is circled. So this definitely has to be related to the April intention box. Okay. So this is the Freebie sticker here. Are you loving the new sizes of the cloth and paper stickers? I am. Alright, so this is different. It says Torn Magazine. And like I said in previous unboxings and playing with me videos, my goal is to use these things. Because I've been collecting them for years and never really used them. So I'm going to try to use them. So this is the dashboard that I got from my CP Petite. Now I really wanted the black icon dashboard cover, but I did not want the dashboard because I have this dashboard. I really didn't want it, and I was really hoping that we had the option just to get the cover, like we got the other icon cover. And this kind of feels different from my other icon dashboard. So let me know if you got the icon dashboard cover set, and then also let me know in the comments if you have the original one. So the original icon dashboard, I had so many problems with that, and that was like, I think that original icon one came out around the new stages of CP Petite, and it would always crack, and it would always crack. And I've had several of them, so I just stopped buying them because they would always crack. But yeah, I didn't want this dashboard here. I did not want that. I just wanted the icon in the black. Because like I said earlier, I already have that dashboard. Now I wish we just had the option to buy it separate, or if there was some type of new dashboard that was included with the icon, would be absolutely perfect. Alright, so let me get my original icon dashboard so I can show you how mine's cracked. I don't even place it in my planner no more, but I still have it. So this is one of them. And did yours crack like this? Let me know in the comments, did yours crack like this? And I absolutely love the icon dashboard. And I'm glad this one is a different material. It's like plastic. It's different. I'm not sure what the other one was, but I don't think I should have the cracking like I did with this particular one here. But I did love this one here. And you can see I kept it. I'm not sure if I have the other ones that broke. And they will send me another one and it cracked and it still cracked. So that is my old icon and here's my new icon. I guess I should go ahead and add it to my CP Petite, and it's like it's a frosted. Now, I'm not sure if they had the plastic on both sides, the protective film, but I did remove it from one side. But let me go ahead and add this to this CP Petite here. This is the CP Petite that I want to add my new transparent cover to. And that's how that looks with that. But I'm going to have to move it because it's kind of bulky. And plus, too, because I do have smaller discs with this one here. But let me go ahead and take the steady dashboard out. That studded dashboard is thick. It is super thick. Alright, so that's how it looks without the studded. I'm gonna have to change it around because I don't know if I want this right there with the icon. But for right now, let me see. Yeah. I don't know if I should place another dashboard up front. Should I place this one? Let's see. Let me see if there's another dashboard. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep my word of the year. I think I might just keep the word of the year here. And this one behind it. And that might end up changing later, but for right now, this will work. So I'm going to use this as my spring cleaning CP Petite, and I'll just place that to the side, and I might end up adding it to one of my other setups. But let me go ahead and take this stuff and place it to the side. And I was going to get into the other things. So I did end up getting these bands. I got it because of the pink bands. And I was thinking about changing the band of my large transparent cover, but that pink is not going to be large enough for that. So I did end up getting these label stickers. I don't think I got label stickers from Cloth and Paper in a while. And I was like, I didn't know what stickers came in it at the time. But looking at the different labels, each one has a different thing. You have your lifestyle, it even has your functional, your time, and your financial stickers. Yeah, so I like this. Now I just have to figure out how I'm going to use them. Will I use them? I don't know. I'm going to think about it. I have to think about it first. And we'll see. But yeah, I have to think about where I'm going to use these labels at. I definitely can find some use for those. Alright, so now that I got all those things out the way, I can go ahead and get into the transparent CP Petite cover. And the reason why I got this one, because it's not like the one that we got in our subscription box. Because this one doesn't have the writing on it. So that was the reason why I got it. Because at first I was like, I don't think you need another one. Because a bestie gifted me one. So I already have two. But I said, well, since this doesn't have the writing on it, and I do have a few CP Petite already, I definitely could put it to use. So let me know if you got any other transparent covers, whether it's CP Petite, large, any of the other sizes or the TN that they have. I think I have all the sizes. Now, Do they have the ring transparent covers? Now, I don't have the ring transparent covers, but I do have multiple sizes in the covers. Alright, so this is this one here. I'm thinking I might end up changing that band. Let's see, what color bands came in this one? Okay, let me get my other packs of bands. I have a burgundy band. I think I want to change it out to burgundy. Now, another thing that I've noticed with this CP Petite cover compared to the one that we got in the box, it has the black, when we place the band to hold it in place. It has a black here, and the one we got in the box has silver. But yes, since I have a burgundy theme going on with this one, I'm going to remove this black. So I saw some bands on Amazon, and I was going to order them. But I wanted to see what size was the band, because I couldn't remember if the new pack of bands was the same size as what I got before. Because I want the pink. Thinking about changing it out with the pink. With my large transparent cover, and I'm thinking I'm going to order the bands that I saw on Amazon, and I'll leave a link to that in my description if you're interested. But I saw so many different colors on Amazon, and it was like you get a lot of them in a pack, and I think they were all like $5 or $6. You couldn't beat the price for it. So I want to check it out. I need to see the quality of it to see, because I want to change it out in my large transparent cover. And the pink that I got today is not gonna fit. But yeah, I like it with the burgundy. At least we have options. And I don't think I would have ever thought about changing the band if Cloth and Paper didn't sell it to us. But let me know your thoughts. But here are my other CP Petites. So with my CP Petites, I do end up adding a clip. So let me move the burgundy bookmark, the Eclipse bookmark, to the front, like I did my other CP Petites. And then I want to add a magnetic pen, but I just have to figure out which one should I add. So right now, I like the clips to show on the front. Alright, so just to give it a little bit of color. Now I have to find a pen to go with this too. I'm not sure if I want to use a Shop Real Beautiful ink pen or one of my Kawakos. I have a Lamy pen too. I don't even use it. So this one says Icon. So I think I'm going to move this magnetic pen to the other CP Petite since this says Icon. So let me place that there. And I don't know what I'm going to place on the other one since I changed it out. I have to look in my stash to see. But let me know your thoughts. And let me know, did you get anything from Cloth and Paper recently? And if you did get something, let me know. What did you get? Let me know. Let me know what you got. Because it might be something I might need or want that I totally forgot all about. Now, here is my other. This is my top dog right here. I absolutely love this. And I did end up finding that Shop View the Beautiful pen that had the green crystals in